रामोजीराव की बहू शैलजा किरण ने 28 अगस्त को रविंद्र भारती में मुनक्किद किए गए आलमी मुशायरे में शिरकत की। मुंसिफ टीवी और अंजुमन मुहिब्बान उर्दू की जानिब से यह प्रोग्राम मुनक्किद कराया गया था। इस मौके पर शैलजा किरण ने कहा कि रामोजीराव को उर्दू से बेहद मोहब्बत थी और उन्होंने मुल्क के पहले उर्दू टीवी चैनल का आगाज़ किया था। शैलजा किरण ने रामोजीराव की याद में मुशायरे के इनेकाद पर खुशी का इजहार किया। आप देखिए तफसीलात, हमें दीजिए इजाज़त। आदाब।
गुड इवनिंग, नमस्ते and sab bhaiyon ko namaste. Thank you very much for this great honor in remembrance of our my dear father-in-law who treated me like a daughter, and also the chairman of Ramoji Group. Sri Ramoji Rao Garu believed that language or a religion binds people together, providing a common platform for expression and understanding. They are meant to represent a culture and an art. He only believed there were good people and bad people. He had no belief in caste, community or religion. He believed that we are all Indians. Everyone born in this country has, equal love and affection for the country, for the language, like Matrubhasha. Everybody is similarly, whether you're a Christian or a Muslim or a Hindu, all of us love our country and love our language, love our motherhood. As you know, the world is moving towards much more rivalry, aggression, violence. I think these are the times that we need to have literature and poetry all the more, so that the people, the futuristic generations, they understand more of love, compassion, forgiveness, acceptance and tolerance, and to live as brothers in our country, in neighboring countries, in the world, so that there is more peace, and peace is the much desired wealth for the world today. Thank you so much. And as the poetry was being rendered, I was just feeling how I wish I knew Urdu so that I could appreciate the poetry. Thank you very much for this honor. Very, very, very thankful to all of you.
शैलजा मैडम जो कि एमडी हैं मार्गदर्शी ग्रुप की, हम उनसे बात करेंगे और उनकी कुछ खट्टी मीठी यादें जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। सबसे पहले आपका इस्तकबाल करता हूँ, क्या कहना चाहेंगी इस मौके पर?
As you know, chairman loved people, worked for people, for the welfare of the people. It's not caste, community, creed or religion. He only believed in good and bad, that is it. And he wanted everyone to be having equal rights, equal facilities, to improve the standard of living of people. He believed in literature and art more than wealth. He was a true lover of culture, and believed in the core values of humanity, that is like compassion, empathy, tolerance, patience, acceptance and forgiveness, as I already mentioned about. He would have loved and enjoyed the program today if he was there. That's what I was thinking. He would have really liked it. Yeah. And I thank all the brothers here for commemorating him today. Yeah.
तो सर ने कितनी बड़ी लेगेसी छोड़ी है पीछे, किस तरह से उनकी चीज़ों को आप आगे ले जाना चाहेंगी और उर्दू के लिए ख़ास तौर से आपके क्या प्लान्स हैं, क्योंकि एक उर्दू का चैनल भी चलता है?
As you know, we have ETV Bharat Urdu. So we believe, like any other language in this country, like maybe Tamil or Kannada or Marathi, Urdu is equally or more important, because the larger number of people in this country speak Urdu. So We will always be wanting to do the best for the people as we are covering in 13 languages, trying to make a representation across the country. Ramoji Group will always work for the welfare of the people. We will always fight for the rights of the people and will work for the common good of the people.
सो हाउ वाज द फीलिंग, कैसा लगा यहाँ पर आकर उर्दू से जुड़कर?
Very, very nice. I tried to listen keenly and try to understand. I partly understood, and maybe now, my interest for poetry has increased now after attending this program. Yeah, and I think more youth should be involved in such programs. So I think a lot more has to be done. Yeah, yeah.
हमसे बात करने के लिए, मुंसिफ टीवी से बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।